Hello, I'm Brenda Okonkwo, a rising third-year dental student at Penn Dental Medicine. Originally from Ramstein-Wiesenbach, Germany, I graduated from Georgia State University with a BS in neuroscience. I chose Penn because it prioritizes quality care for vulnerable communities, conducts groundbreaking research, and prepares competitive and well-rounded dentists for specialty programs. My dental school experience has been transformative, testing my mental strength, exposing me to diverse individuals, and providing invaluable learning opportunities to become the best clinician I can be.
Hi everyone, I'm John Button, a rising second-year dental student at Penn Dental Medicine. Originally from East Brookfield, Massachusetts, I graduated from Tufts University with majors in biochemistry and French literature. I chose Penn for its renowned faculty and specialty programs, especially because I aspire to pursue a career in oral surgery. The experience at Penn Dental Medicine has been incredible so far. I've met exceptional people who feel like lifelong friends, and I appreciate how Penn Dental Medicine gets us started in clinical rotations from the very beginning. Join us as we tour some of the highlights of the Penn Dental Medicine community, programs, and facilities.
Penn Dental Medicine and its facilities create a special environment to learn and grow as dental professionals. Located on 40th Street, Penn Dental Medicine forms the western border of the University of Pennsylvania campus in West Philadelphia. Where all of Penn's 12 graduate and 4 undergraduate schools are situated.
The Robert Shatner Center serves as the school's main entrance and features patient admissions and a number of clinical care areas, along with gathering spaces for visitors and the Penn Dental Medicine community. It is named for Penn Dental Medicine alumnus Dr. Robert Shatner, the inventor of chloroseptic, who made a major gift to support the construction of the building in 2002.
The Shatner Center connects the school's other 2 buildings, the Leon Levy Oral Health Sciences Building, which houses the school's research labs that provide students with diversity of translational and clinical research opportunities, and the historic Evans Building, home to much of the school's academic and patient care facilities.
The Evans Building includes many of the school's clinical care centers, most notably the Robert I. Shatner Clinic, the main general restorative clinic. This 11,270 square foot space has been the hub of clinical instruction and patient care since the Evans Building was built in 1915, and its most recent renovation in 2018 has made it a state-of-the-art facility throughout. The space features 74 operatories and is equipped with the use of CAD/CAM technology chairside. The wall of windows on the north side of the space make it a particularly welcoming environment for patients. The Evans Building also includes a second general restorative clinic with 54 operatories.
In addition, Penn Dental Medicine has postdoctoral programs in most all of the dental specialties, so clinical experiences for DMD students include rotations through each of the specialty clinics, including pediatrics, periodontics, oral surgery, orthodontics, oral medicine, and endodontics. The Singa Kim Endodontic Clinic is one of the most high-tech clinical settings for endodontic instruction and patient care, and was the first in the country to provide a microscope at every operatory.
Under the school's current dean, Dr. Mark Wolf, Penn Dental Medicine has established itself as a leader in training students and practicing clinicians to care for persons with disabilities. The Personalized Care Suite within the school's Care Center for Persons with Disabilities opened in 2021. DMD students begin rotations in the suite during their 3rd year and spend half a day a week throughout their 4th year, providing care in the suite to persons with disabilities and complex medical conditions.
As a part of the curriculum, clinical experiences also take students out into the community to sites throughout the city of Philadelphia. The community care programs enable students to work with a diverse patient population and multidisciplinary healthcare teams. The current community sites include Puentes de Salud, serving a predominantly immigrant population from Mexico and other Latin American countries. Mercy Life, serving seniors. And throughout Penn Smiles, our mobile dental clinic, comprehensive care is provided to children at schools and community sites in the surrounding neighborhoods.
Incorporated throughout clinical instruction at Penn Dental Medicine are the latest dental technologies. First and second year students develop manual dexterity skills and begin to learn dental procedures within the preclinical simulation lab on units fully outfitted with dental instruments and designed to replicate the spatial dynamics of a clinical setting. Once treating patients, students apply digital dentistry throughout patient care, learning how to complete restoration cases in an all-digital environment in the Digital Design and Milling Center.
When it comes to study spaces, the library is a quiet retreat, with library staff available for assistance as needed. In addition, there are study rooms that can be reserved for group study sessions.
Throughout all 4 years of Penn Dental Medicine, students are supported by faculty and staff within the school's student services. Situated together in the lower concourse of the Evans Building is the Office of Student Affairs, the Office of Academic Affairs, and Career Services, all of which are accessible and welcoming to answer questions and offer guidance. And the school's Office of Admissions team supports prospective students throughout the admissions process.
Finally, building close bonds with fellow students and taking time to enjoy student life is an important part of the dental school experience as well. The cafe is a great place to grab a coffee with a friend. The Shatner Pavilion is a comfortable gathering place for lunch, as is the adjacent Fonseca Gardens courtyard when the weather turns warm. And the student lounge provides a space reserved just for students and has an adjoining outdoor area as well.
Being part of the Penn Dental Medicine community is energizing. The facilities match the high quality of instruction, and the school is just the right size for building strong ties with other students and faculty. It's a great learning environment.
Thank you for joining us on this tour, and please check out our website for more information.